So these little fatsos are eating so much food today that I just decided to give them a whole nother can. Between them and Mama, they'll eat it throughout the night, but it looks hilarious. And Knox and Dorian are just digging in. Look at that. It's still can-shaped. I wonder if Dorian's gonna do his tongue thing again. Oh, here comes Henry. Oh, there you go. Make some room for you, Henry. Good boy. Look at those boys. They're gonna whittle it down into a little mound, or maybe they'll carve a little sculpture out of it. Are you three little furry Michelangelos? Are we gonna come back to a statue of David, a kitten statue of David, or are you just gonna knock it off? We need one of you to be on this side. No, you cannot put your feet on there. There you go. Now you'll even it out. And this way they can't stand in it while they eat it either. This is genius. Oh, there you go, Buffers. Here, can I put you on this side for strategic purposes? You know what to do with it? That's just the whole can-shaped can of food. You're demolishing it. Hi, Mama. You want to get in on this can-shaped food action? Mama's like, what are you crazy people doing? You kittens. You silly kittens.